Let's go over how to install your Wilkes Bravado buttstock on your Marlin lever action rifle. Before we get started, you always want to make sure that the rifle is clear. You want to check the chamber as well as the magazine tube visually and physically, and we are now clear to operate on this weapon. I'm going to lock it into a vise. It is not absolutely necessary that you do, but it will make your life just a little bit easier. I'm going to be using this rock vise from Arrow Products, but feel free to use whatever vise you have on hand. Very simple process. All we've got to do is remove this flathead screw from the tang of the buttstock. Once you have that screw out, you can now remove the buttstock and set that to the side. Now we will take our Wilkes Bravado buttstock and we will just go ahead and insert that on the rear of the firearm. Once that's in place, you can now take your factory screw and reinsert it through the tang. Once that's locked down, you can go ahead and remove your rifle from your vise, and your Wilkes Bravado buttstock is installed.